Welcome children to Form 4 Computer Science. We have already done with 3 videos regarding your input, process and output devices. Now today just a small recap, and along with the recap I'm going to show you different types of storage device. It is just a little overview on the different types of storage device. There are upcoming videos which will display and make you understand about different storage capacity of different storage devices. Now, before starting with the storage devices, let me show you the processing devices, right? You already know which are the processing device, that is CPU. Now, you know that CPU is the brain of a computer and it processes and stores the information. It is also known as a system unit. There are 3 different parts of CPU, that is memory, control and arithmetic and logical unit. This you have already learned in the last video of your chapter 1. This is just a little recap for you. Input and output devices, that recap is been done by Ms. Jadeja for you, that you might have seen. This is the processing device that we have done the small recap. Now what I'm going to show you is storage device. Now first of all, what we understand, let us see what do you mean by storage devices, right? The devices which stores data. Now for example, in our day-to-day life, right? My pencil box, again it's a storage device. I can put all my pencil, eraser and everything, so it's one type of a storage device. My school bag, I carry my school bag, I put all the books, color, pencil box, right? Even I have a there is a small bag where you can put your water bottle or even there, right? So that is also a storage device. In the same way, in the computer also there are some external storage device you can use. Now here comes the word external. External. External means the device that you can attach from outside. Okay, now let us see which are the different devices. This portable device. Portable storage device means easily carried. Okay, you can carry it from one place to another. Now let us see which is the first portable storage device. Hard disk. As we know, hard disk is the main storage medium for the computer. Hard disk stores lots of information. It is fixed in CPU box. Even you can carry, it's a portable also, means you can have another hard disk you can attach from outside. So that is a in the CPU, that is a external storage device, right? It can write the data on both the sides of its disk. Okay, so next one that we are going to see is compact disk, CD, right? It is an optical storage media, right? It can store a huge amount of data, up to 700 MB of data. Okay, then comes DVD. Now digital video disc, or we can also name it as digital versatile disc. These are the two different full form of DVD. Now the storage capacity of CD, compared to that you can store more data on DVD. So that is the slight difference. They look the same, that we are going to see the picture of that, but DVD stores more data compared to CD. Blu-ray disc, it's now very famous in the market nowadays because it can store up to 50 GB of data, and on both the side of the disk it can store the data. Flash drive is also called a pen drive. Multimedia card, you know, small card that is. Now let us see the picture of it. This is the hard disk. This is CD compact disc. This is the Blu-ray disc. It stores more data compared to DVD, and DVD stores more data compared to compact disc. This is multimedia card. You can store a huge amount of data, up to 512 GB of data in multimedia card. This is a 2 GB card. Pen drive, right? Now flash drive also, you can nowadays up to 1 terabyte. Okay, now what we have seen today is just a glance of different storage devices. we are going to learn what is the storage capacity, what do you mean by megabyte, what do you mean by terabyte. We are going to learn, but that when we start with the lecture 2. So this was just a small glance on the different types of storage devices. You already learned input, process, and output devices. This was a small glance for storage devices. That's all for today. Thank you. Stay safe at home.